Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing well. Let's get started. In this video, we will trade purely based on proper price action. Let's begin. So first of all, we've opened up this chart. 3 green candles have already formed. Whenever 3 distinct green candles form in this particular manner, appearing consecutively at any point, we can then establish a proper and accurate level there. Alright, I have carefully set this significant level right here. Now moving our attention downward, guys, if you observe closely here, if we have indeed set the level with precision, then the price action will subsequently move decisively above this crucial breaking point here, okay? So now we've set this level properly here. Now you can see, whenever 3 green candles form anywhere in the market, like here, 3 green candles have formed, that means this level is quite significant. So we've placed this level here. After that, the market did go down, it went down, and then it gave a break as well. But after retesting, the market can form a red candle on the downside. That is why we have gone downward here. Overall, if you look from here, it's downward, downward. If we draw a trend line here, you can see a pretty significant downward movement here. All right, so that's why we have taken a trade here for the downward move. Okay, so you can see, guys, our trade here has become profitable. So guys, this video is not any kind of final advice. I am personally trading on my own. These are my own analyses. And if you also want to trade, then it is your own responsibility. Okay, so there's a noticeable change happening here. Okay, a clear consolidation is actively taking place. So we can definitely take a good advantage of this situation here. I'll carefully place it right here and then gently move it up just a little bit to this specific point. So for the very next candle, we will confidently go for a downward direction, guys. So let's patiently wait and observe. I'll carefully and precisely place it here, ensuring it is securely positioned, and then in the intricate branches of the tree. So guys, I'll go for a downward direction, gradually lowering it a considerable amount, just a little bit. Alright guys, so I've placed one downward trade here because as you can see, there's consolidation happening here. You can really take good advantage during consolidation because the market is showing one green candle, then a red candle. Here, a green candle is forming. 2 red candles are forming. You can see a green candle formed, then 2 red candles, then a green candle, then 2 red candles, then a green candle, then 2 red candles, then a green candle. So this should also be a red candle. That's why we've placed the trade here. So let's see, guys. 2 red candles should form here. Alright, so here our current sentiment strongly suggests that one more significant red candle could potentially form here. If it decisively breaks that crucial level, then that's a completely different scenario altogether. Overall, based on precisely what you can clearly see in the market right now, a distinct red candle should indeed form here. So let's patiently wait, guys, and carefully observe what exactly happens. Let's see what precisely happens. So guys, I'm going to strategically place a double trade here right now. If we incur a loss here, alright guys, so I've carefully placed 2 trades here for a clear downward move. Let's patiently see what exactly happens here. Sometimes we absolutely have to follow our established martingale step because the specific trade we took here had a very high probability of being profitable. The market even decisively reached that crucial level. But overall, the market suddenly spiked quite dramatically and moved significantly to the upside. Alright, so in this particular kind of OTC market scenario, whenever we engage in a trade, this specific situation can frequently happen. The very first candle we observe often indicates selling pressure, and sometimes a buyer does indeed come in, but only just to get completely exhausted, which ultimately results in a very small green candle forming. However, in the end, the market is generally supposed to move downward from that precise point. That is precisely why we consistently follow martingale steps, and with these carefully implemented martingale steps, our very next candle usually becomes quite profitable. So sometimes in the complex binary options trading field, you absolutely have to do this. As you can clearly see here, a really strong, prominent red candle has formed. Guys, this has been a profitable trade overall. We meticulously marked a significant level and took advantage of that crucial level. This candle should have formed precisely at that point. No problem at all, guys. Whatever ultimately happens, truly happens. Okay, guys, so right now we are currently observing the EUR USD OTC chart, so I will simply and carefully mark a significant level here. This particular point will be our crucial level, and I am actively looking for another important one very nearby. Okay, so we will definitely go for the downward direction. Guys, I have precisely placed 2 distinct trades for the downward direction here, and please allow me to thoroughly explain exactly why I did that. If you look back, if you see the previous candle before this one, you'll notice a really strong, insane red candle has formed. Alright, now since that significant red candle has clearly formed, I have carefully placed the trade just above it. So if the market ultimately closes below our predetermined level, it should indeed be our winning trade. Okay, if it decisively closes below our established level, then let's patiently wait, guys, and carefully observe what precisely happens next. So guys, just as I confidently said, the market will certainly close below our designated level, so it will be a winning trade, alright? That's exactly what happened, because I know that at this particular level, after such a strong uptrend and with this red candle forming at this crucial level, it means the market won't be able to break through it immediately, okay? So we can really take advantage of this situation. We can benefit a lot from it because the market was trending really well. After the prevailing trend, a significant red candle appeared, so there must indeed be something noteworthy going on here. That's precisely why we entered our position here, and now we've already successfully made a profit, so this particular trade is completely done. You should absolutely know at which precise level you are actively trading. Alright, you should also clearly know which specific strategy you are currently using and which particular one you are looking at. There are a lot of strategies, but at the very end, you will inevitably face rejection. If you understand rejection, then you can even create your own strategies automatically. Alright, in a very real sense, strategy is fundamentally created based on careful rejection. Okay, we meticulously mark the crucial levels, identify the active sellers, identify the eager buyers, and only then do we truly realize that, okay, this could potentially be a significant level right here, and from this precise point, the market could indeed go downward. So we then create a proper and comprehensive strategy according to our own thorough analysis. So that's precisely how the market is currently going. This way we get to know how the market is behaving. All right, okay, so let's place the last trade and then we will close our session here. Okay, I'll mark the horizontal level here. I'll place this level here. All right, I'll move this level a bit further down and place it here, just like that. So if I meticulously set this particular level right here, if our candle definitively breaks through this significant level, then we will certainly consider taking a trade in the downward direction. So my friends, I've carefully placed two distinct trades here for a clear downward movement. All right, okay, so here are the precise trades we've successfully placed. There was a noticeable red-green-green, followed by a red-green-red pattern clearly forming, so the market has now decisively broken that established pattern. Overall, there was a very significant spike in the market. 3 strong red candles formed consecutively, and then there was a crucial level which the market decisively broke through, and it also broke our established pattern. The powerful red candle broke it, and the next important level for us will be this particular one. This will indeed be our key level. Now, from this specific level, the market will likely go down initially and then subsequently move up. For the sell, we will place our trades here, specifically 2 trades. So, if these 2 trades ultimately turn out to be profitable, then today's session will have gone really well, and we will have made a very good profit. Okay, so everyone, let's just take a moment and patiently wait a little bit longer, and then in precisely 4, 3, 2, 1, you will clearly be able to see what's happening right here before your very eyes unfolding on the screen. Our trades here have now become quite profitable, as you can very clearly see here. Our account currently has a total of exactly $9,222 in it. Okay, so again, I really want to tell you that this particular video is absolutely not financial advice. I am just sharing my own personal knowledge and understanding, and if you truly want to get into the world of trading, you should definitely know that trading inherently involves very, very high risk. It is indeed a very risky business venture. If you genuinely want to do it, you certainly can, but only if you can comfortably afford to lose a significant amount. Before getting into any form of trading, you absolutely need to fully understand that you can potentially lose money here. You could in fact lose all of your invested capital, so you really have to be fully aware about this crucial aspect. You can come, so that is all for this comprehensive video. Hope you like this video, and if you are new to the channel, subscribe. And thank you so much guys for watching this video. Bye.